Hello guys, for this session we are going to start to work in the notebook 2. Before this one you are going to watch a tutorial about verb to be. I'm going to share with you the link in order to watch the video before to start to work here. We are going to work today in the page number 27. Uh, did you remember the last session you needed to finish this one according with the picture? And here we are going to put the number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or 3 according with the conversation. Remember, guys, if you have a question, if you need to answer something, you need to remember what is each one. What is the first one, what is the second, and etc. etc. And according with this one, you are going to do a circle in the correct with the correct picture according with this dialogue. If it's with the gloves red or if it's the gloves green. Then you are going to write a question using the verb to be. The verb to be in past is okay according with the tutorial about verb to be. You can watch the video before to do the homework. Then using, okay, this is a dialogue, but we are going to work in this one at in the school when you go back. Don't worry about it. You don't need to do that. Don't do. According with this one, you are going to check. Remember with these circles. This circle is for bad, this for so, and this is for good according you. I can name sports equipment like gloves, like ball, like something like that. If you can, check can or cannot or so. About this one, okay, guys? Then, according with the next pages, we are going to cook. We are going to relate the new vocabulary about city places. According with this one, we are going to go to the page number 137. According with this one, we are going to cut the unit 3, only the unit 3. According with this one, we are going to practice the new vocabulary like bank, police station, museum, thirsty, hungry, sleepy. I'm sorry, no hungry, no thirsty. I'm sorry. Bookstore, movie theater, toy store, drugstore, pet shop, and bakery. We are going to recognize this one in our city, like the bank, like Bank Colombia or something like that, like police station, like the CAI or something like that, like bakery, panaderia, candy store in a mall, movie theater like Cine Colombia, Cinemark or something like that, bookstore like Panamericana, and toy store like Pepe Ganga, drugstore like Cruz Verde or Farmatodo, and the pet shop. This is like when you want to buy something about your pet, your dog, your cat, or something like that. When you finish this, you are going to relate the vocabulary in the page number 126. Remember, guys, you need to write only the vocabulary here and relate the pictures here. Remember, here is the real pictures and here is the fantastic pictures. But it's the same vocabulary. Relate these pictures with the vocabulary in these pictures and write the vocabulary in depend of the picture. For example, the number 6. Number 6 is movie theater. We are going to go to the number 6 and write the theater. Finally, we are going to cut this page, each one, and you are going to cut and paste in the page 28 and 29 according with this one. You need to identify this one. When you finish this, you are going to go to the pages 30 and 31. Again, you are going to relate the same pictures here, like in the page. You can use the Pictionary in the page 126 in order to relate here again the vocabulary. You have the vocabulary here, and you are going to write the vocabulary according with this one. You can see here the museum, and you can check here X museum. Ready. We are going to see what is the pet shop. You are going to find the picture here and write according with this one. Then you are going to check here. What are you going to check? According with the listening, we are going to listen the listening and check, please, guys. Now you are going to listen.
Track 16. 1.
Oh no! It's 7:50 already. I'm late.
Why don't you take a taxi?
Good idea. Thank you.
You're welcome. 2.
We're so bored.
Why don't you go to the movie theater?
Cool idea. Thanks.
Okay, guys, according with this listening, you are going to work in the point number 2, listening and mark. Then, according with this one, underline the option to make different dialogues. You are going to organize the questions. In this case, only you are going to organize or check what is the most important according with this one. But I think like it's a dialogue, we can work in this one at in the classroom. Please don't do this one. Don't do this one. No hacerlo. We are going to continue. In the page number 31st, we are going to listen and we are going to write a report, but the report is going to be here. We are going to listen the report and write the places and the time. Please pay attention, guys.
Track 17. A day in the life of...
Good morning, Keith. What's new this week?
Do you remember James and Oliver Phelps?
Sure. They are the Weasley twins in the Harry Potter movies.
Exactly. Well, let me tell you where they were yesterday.
Where were they?
At 9 a.m., they were at the bank. Then at 9:30, the twins were at the museum.
And then?
At 11, James was at the bakery and Oliver was at the candy store.
When were the twins together again?
Later, at 11:30, they were at the pet shop.
Oh, okay. And then? Where were the twins?
At 12:30, Oliver was at home with a headache, and James was at the drugstore buying medicine.
Poor Oliver.
Yes, but I think he was better later on because they were at the movie theater at 7 p.m.
Okay, guys, according with this one, you are going to check here what was the first, according with A, B, C, D, acorde con el alfabeto A, B, C, D, ustedes van a colocar, en vez de los números 1, 2, 3, van a colocar que se hizo primero a partir del A, B, C, D, F, G y las horas que dicen ahí en el listening. Then you are going to practice this one with your father, your mother, with your sister, brother, whatever you want. You are going to practice this one, this conversation. Then you are going to remember here where and was. Finally, we are going to work in the pages number 32 and 35. Please, before do that, you are going to remember the verb to be according with the tutorial. Here we are going to do some sentences according with, for example, Emma. Emma, we are going to go in the same line. Emma, you can see the supermarket. And what day? Thursday. Now we are going to say Daniel. Daniel is come to the library. Where? When? On Monday. For example, Emma was at the supermarket on Thursday. Daniel was at the library on Monday. And you are going to write four of these one. For Daniel, for Ralph, for Robbie, and for Rupert, according with this information. Then you can write a question using verb to be in past here, verb to be in past, but where or when. Depende of this one. Where, cuando hablamos de where, hablamos de lugar. Cuando hablamos de when, hablamos cuándo. Cuándo. Where, dónde, when, cuándo. According with this one, you are going to do a questions and look at the answers. For example, the answer here is, he was at the museum. What is the question? Where was Ralph on Tuesday? According with your questions here. Here we are going to work this one at the classroom. Then you are going to read here according with this one, according with the reading here. You are going to check here. Check here. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, according with this story. Please read very well the story, and with this one you are going to complete here. This is everything for this week, guys. If you have any question, please send me a message